Tired of guessing what sells? Here's how Perplexity AI can instantly uncover profitable t-shirt niches, trending topics and fresh design ideas. And stick around until the end to learn how to get Perplexity Pro free for a whole year. Alright, first of all, what is Perplexity? Well, it's this interface right here. Basically, it's an AI chatbot just like ChatGPT, but it combines different AI models and also has some other functions. So you get this box right here where you can put in the prompt. And now it's set on search, as you can see on this icon. That means this is the regular mode. Then we have the research mode, where you can do a deep research on any topic. And then we have this labs mode, where you can create projects from scratch. Yeah, I don't really know what that is. So we got this globe right here, and it says set sources for search. So let's click that. So here we can enable and disable the sources for the research. Then we got this next icon right here. I think it's a microchip. So this one says choose a model. And if you're not sure, you can just leave it on best. Then the AI will choose the model. You get the selection of Sonar, GPT-5. You get Claude Sonnet 4.5. Then Gemini, Grok 4, Claude, and the O3 model from OpenAI. You can upload files on this paperclip right here. And you can also dictate your prompt. So let's start with the niche research. So for the niche research, I would do the settings like this. We choose the research mode on this second icon right here. And then we click on this globe to set the sources for our research. And of course, we want the web. Academic and finance is not really relevant for niche research, but social could be very interesting for niche research. So let's turn that on and let's just put in our prompt for the niche research. So here we go. And first I'm going to press enter and here we go. Now let me show you the full prompt. So I click on show more. So there you go. If you want to use this prompt, just make a screenshot and put it into Perplexity or your favorite AI. Alright, let's scroll down again. Now this prompt is written in the style that it first asks us for the big niche. So we're gonna put in the big niche, like baking of course, and press enter. And you can see the progress bar right here. 3 minutes left to gather sources and create your report. So now if it would be 3 minutes, it would be way faster than ChatGPT. And you can see the progress right here. It's reviewing sources. This button is turned on, so it will notify me once it's done. And if you're really impatient, you can skip the remaining steps right here on this button. So now it says 1 step completed, 7 minutes left. Now it's got 2 steps completed, 4 minutes left. Now it immediately jumped from 7 minutes to 4 minutes. And here we go, we got the results. So that wasn't even 3 minutes. Alright, we got the report. Big niche is baking. Then the sub niche of that is sourdough bread. And we got different types of sourdough. I have no idea about that niche. We got cake decorating, fondant art, cake sculpting, cookie baking, pastry making, gluten-free, vegan baking, bread bowls, muffin baking, and so on and so on. So there you go, you got your sub niches. And then you also get an analysis of these niches. Now you would typically put these sub niches into Amazon.com together with the keyword t-shirt and check the results and the competition. Now let's have it work some more for its money. That's a joke, it was free. Now let's put in, now do this for the big niche fitness. Press enter and here we go, it immediately starts researching. Now it's only 2 minutes left, let me see the clock, okay. Now if you watch my previous video with ChatGPT research, I couldn't really do this in real time because it would take about 15-20 minutes for this research task. Now this is way faster and here we go. Yeah, just looked at the clock, it was about a minute or so. Alright, you got fitness, strength training, bench press, deadlifting, powerlifting, yoga, CrossFit. I think that's a trademark term. Pilates could also be trademarked, I'm not sure. Running, cycling, gravel cycling, urban cycling, swimming, you got HIIT, martial arts, boxing, kickboxing, rock climbing, dancing, fitness, and so on and so on, parkour. Yeah, you got the whole list right here. So there you go, this could go on and on. If you want to go even deeper, you can just copy this keyword right here. Okay, I just highlighted it and let's click on add to follow up. Okay, put it into this quotation marks into this box. Let's just press enter. Yeah, here we go. Now it goes into the sub niches of combat sports. Alright, that was very easy. So I have really no idea about this sub niche, but let's just run it. Alright, here we go. Yeah, I would also say that just took a minute or so. Yeah, here we go. We got combat sports, the big niche. Then we got boxing sport, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, Muay Thai, and the sub niches, MMA, wrestling, kickboxing, and so on and so on. Yeah, there you go. Now let's research some trends. Make sure you got the settings right, so it's set on research right now. And let's check the sources on this globe. Yeah, we got web and we have to enable social right here. Alright, then we just click on this arrow and I click on show more. Okay, we get the whole prompt right here. Oh, it scrolled down. Yeah, we got it right here. And again, if you want to use this prompt, just make a screenshot and put it into your favorite AI. Alright, let's see it working right here. A minute left. And it's really fast. This is way faster than the ChatGPT version. So I don't think that it's using the ChatGPT model. Alright, here we go. Current trending topics. Alright, we got the sources right here at the top. Trend report November 2025. Trend name dopamine dressing. Trend name quiet luxury. Cozy girl aesthetic. Cottagecore. Skin positivity. Book talk. What's that? Indie sleaze revival. I have absolutely no idea about that. Alright, what else we got? Girl boss, lazy girl jobs, work-life balance, mindfulness, solar punk, planned parent. Okay, interesting. And so on and so on. Now let's scroll up to the prompt again. Yeah, that's what I thought. So we also got some examples right here in the prompt. And yeah, basically the AI got lazy and just took these examples. So that's not really what we wanted. Now let's copy this prompt again and put it into the chat again, into a new chat. But this time we remove the examples. Yeah, let's remove them. Okay. And then we're just gonna press enter. You can see it's researching TikTok, Instagram, some other social media websites. So that's exactly what we want. Gen Z trends. All right, here we go. We got 20 current trending topics for print-on-demand t-shirt designs in November 2025. First trend is main character energy. Okay. Cozy girl aesthetic. Mental health awareness. Okay. Quiet luxury. We got that already before, just like cottagecore. Then we got coquette. What's that? Okay. Cafe-core. Never heard of that. Bookworm, book talk, we got that. Self-love and empowerment, fitness and strength training. All right. And so on and so on. Yeah, so this could be very interesting to research. And that's basically a whole new angle to research. So when you scroll down, you get the sources right here. Let's click them and here we go. If you want to go even deeper, you can just pick these sources right here. Now let's research some design styles. And yeah, you would typically do this with a research tool like Flying Research, for example. But let's use Perplexity for that. Now we got the prompt right here, and don't worry, you're gonna see this in full. But first I want to remove these examples so that the AI doesn't get lazy. Let's remove them. Okay. And let's first hit enter. And here we go. Now it immediately starts researching. Let's click on show more right here. Yeah, here's the full prompt. If you want to use it, just make a screenshot. And let's check out the research process. 2 minutes left. So it's using a lot of sources like YouTube, Etsy, Vexels, Supersite, FreePic, Adobe Stock. Alright, here we go. Now the first styles are dopamine dressing and Y2K. Let me check the prompt again. No, I didn't mention them. Okay, that's weird. Then we got minimalist line art, bold typography, cottagecore, coquette, retro sunset gradients. Yeah, all-time classic. Cowboy core, western aesthetic, grunge, maximalist, boho floral. Okay. Psychedelic, hand-drawn doodles, and so on and so on. Yeah, interesting. What's that? Vintage Italian grocery aesthetic? Okay. Oh, it also gives us the top 3 most promising styles for new sellers in 2025. So we got dopamine dressing. I think it must be really popular right now. Then we got cottagecore, coquette, and Y2K pixel pop. I've heard of Y2K, but not of pixel pop. So this could be very interesting. And by the way, if you want to use these niches, just go ahead. If you want to go even deeper, you can just click these sources right here. And boom, here we go. Yeah. You got 67 more sources. You can even check some more YouTube videos. Now let me tell you a very simple way to get Perplexity Pro for free. And it's with this payment processor, you may know it. It's PayPal. So right now, until the end of this year, they got a promotion running where you can get 1 whole year Perplexity Pro for free when you're a PayPal user. So all you have to do is log into your account, and then you will see a banner at the top that says something like try Perplexity Pro for a year. For free, of course. And then just follow the link and create your Perplexity account, and boom, that's it. Want to see how ChatGPT did this research task? Then check out this video right here.